We are finally off to our destination, which is Penukonda Fort. I am trying this motovlog setup for pretty much the first time, so I'm hoping that it comes out great. It is 9:18 as of now, and I'm expecting to reach there in around 2 hours. So the good thing about this destination is that the roads are supposed to be amazing all the way from here all the way till the location, so that's something I'm excited about. Start the weekend off with good roads and this roaring machine that never disappoints. Easy cruising. This bike overtakes without breaking a sweat. The plan is not to stop anytime soon because it's a 2-hour ride and we're already pretty much late. It's 9 o'clock. Just want to get to the location already. I don't know how to describe this feeling to you guys. When you're out on the road, you're fully geared up. It's a weekend. Good music, good roads, and a fun destination that's awaiting. This is like therapy, guys. Okay, so I think this is where the fun part of the stretch starts. It's a pretty straight 17-kilometer stretch that I have to go as of now, and a total of almost 150 kilometers. I'm riding in the top box. Glad to get some speed finally after a long time. But with the top box comes challenges like crosswinds. In terms of riding experience, it's been almost 1 year since I have this beast of a machine that is Himalayan 450. It's been like my dream bike ever since I laid my eyes on it first time in college, and I thought to myself, damn, what a beauty. I need to get this someday. It is quite hot outside, but riding at this speed with all the gear, sunscreen, very important. I'm hardly feeling anything. Penukonda, here we come! Woo! Look at that. This is one of my favorite part of this highway stretch. Oh my god. Riding at this speed on this road with these flowers is way too cinematic. Look at this beautiful stretch. All the way to my horizon, all I see is empty road. I usually like cruising at 80 km per hour, pretty sweet spot, but we're already pretty late, don't want to be late anymore. Just trying to get the race up. I think this might be a good time to refuel and stretch a bit. Covered a good amount of distance. How much have we done? Almost 90 kilometers. Not bad. Okay, let's go again. I wouldn't suggest coming at this time. Like at this speed, I do not really feel anything, but I'm sure once I reach the destination, the sun is gonna be right on top of our heads. And it's very important to stay hydrated during the course of this ride. Wow. Look at this. It's beautiful. There's a lake to the left side. The right side of the road is filled with flowers. And the road is pure heaven. I could go on and on in a stretch like this. The views right now have just elevated to a whole new level. Everywhere I see, it is just hills and hills. So there's a lot of history behind the place that we're going today. This used to be some kind of fort which was part of the kingdom that was here. But unfortunately, what we have right now in the present day is just ruins. Okay, so we're here at the location, and the usual map that leads to Penukonda Fort, it was taking to some weird place. I didn't see any twisties on the map, so we searched the craziest thing on the maps, which is twisties road Penukonda, and you know what, something actually came. Twisty roads for bikers, Penukonda Fort. So if you're coming here, do not make the mistake of going to the wrong route. Search what I told you and you'll reach. Let's go. I'm expecting some fun twisties up ahead. Let's see what the hype is all about. I'm sure you guys would have seen a lot of Instagram reels, YouTube shorts, and so did I. And here I am. So we take a left from here. I have to be really careful riding in this place because it's a very popular place for bikers to come. So all these blind turns up ahead, gotta make sure you honk and not go fast. We're here, boys. This is what I came here for. Wow. I wish I got to come here during the sunrise time. It would have looked a bit more pretty, I guess. But this is not bad either. Look at that. Some ruins of Penukonda Fort. Not sure if there is somewhere else I'm supposed to go, or is that it? I think that is it. We're here.
And just like that, it's time to head back from Penukonda back to Bangalore. Penukonda Fort does have a lot of history behind it, but if you're planning a visit here, don't expect a typical fort that you can spend hours exploring. The real highlight of this place isn't really the fort itself, it's the ride getting here. The roads around Penukonda are actually really enjoyable to ride. Lots of twisty sections, open views, and overall just a very relaxed riding experience. If you're someone who enjoys riding through roads like these, this is definitely a destination worth adding to your weekend ride list. We had also planned to check out the Penukonda Windmills nearby today, but we ran a little late. Maybe that just gives me a reason to come back here again someday. If you enjoyed this ride, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more motovlogs.